Stop by and take a look at the 2021 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, security system, trip computer, power windows, rear window defroster, electronic stability control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.